Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is the series of Blender tutorial using Python scripting. So this is going to be my second video on the Python using Python. So in this video we are going to try to delete this environment first, and now we'll be going to use Python scripting to add this back. So these are the basic tutorials, so let's get with it. So if you haven't watched the previous video, you could go and watch that video. So let's go ahead. So this is import py, like as I already talked about it. It is just a model which provide access to the Blender API, through which you can use all the Blender things and stuff here. So now we'll be going to set the location. So in here we'll be using cube.ppi.context.object. This is like it will add directly a cube, and for the location we are going to choose 0 0 0 XYZ direction. Like here it's exact center of the whole environment, and after that we're going to be setting the scale. So that's cube.scale equal to 22222 is here. The scale means as scale 2 means 2 meter. One scale equal to 1 meter, so we'll be going to use 222 meter. Let's run the thing and let's see what's happened. So see, here it is. You could uh, do some changes, so you can try that also. Like see, your dimension are changed little kind of, because it you are the code, it is looking little weird because the cube have added 2 times over here. So that's after, if I want to change this also, so it will add a third. So for that you could like use clear that all object. You can go watch the last previous video so that you could understand easily. So see you in next video guys. Thank you.